Dell TV still doesn't work. Well, we're going to threaten it today until it does. I've had it for 3 years. For almost 2 years it hasn't worked right because Dell made it to last 1 day longer than the warranty. They said they could fix it for $800, or we could buy their new model for $750. I love it! Alright, TV, you either come on or we're going to put you in the water and drown you. Come on! Come on! Go ahead, let it go. I'm going to back up. I want you to turn around so the faces again. I got to try to turn it on again. Getting it?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Your last chance.
Start.
Come on.
Come on.
Oh, you used to do it when it didn't matter. Oh, waterboarding doesn't help. All right, I got your ass. I can fix it now. I have technology.
More Mighty Mouse cartoons.
Is the handgun in there?
Chuck, where's the handgun?
It's in the bag.
In the bag.
Okay, it's not safe. Put it on fire. You got 3 rounds.
There you go, Stephen Dell. That's what I think of Dell.
Didn't do you proud with yours.
No more Dell.